Our birthday list off with Finley Albright, who's celebrating her big number 3 right there. Kiddo, if I could pull off a bow as well as you pull off a bow, I would wear it, but I can't. Happy birthday, Miss Finley in Miami.
Callie Harrison turning 3 years old this year. Callie celebrating in Pittsburgh.
Harking back to Friday, but we'll keep the celebration going for Camden McCready. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Do we have it?
I don't know. The build-up's great though. The build-up for Camden's birthday. I'm just gonna sit on this.
I didn't know if we needed to move on and come back to it, or...
Ah, I told you! Told you it was worth the wait.
What a cute picture.
When you're rocking a mohawk like that, yeah, it was worth the wait. Happy birthday, Mr. Camden. He's turned 5 in Chanute.
Oakley Johnson celebrating birthday number 5 in Girard. Oakley's birthday was on Saturday.
Now, Orion Hayward gonna come back here because we talked about him last week, but then we're like, we gotta get a birthday of this dude, and there we got him. And because when you turn 8, man, you deserve to be on the KOM Morning News. Hey, I want you to know that, Orion, this comes from love from Kwama and Papa. I hope I did that first one right. I don't know. I hope I did. Anyway, Orion, a happy 8th birthday. He's in Altamont.
Uma. I think it's Uma. All right, Camden Hollenbeck celebrating birthday number 9 this year. Looks like he's a Minecraft fan. Camden is in Parsons.
I think I just misread, like, my eyes just played a little trick on me. I think. Hey, I'm gonna guess a little St. Paul pride right there. See the SP in the background? See the Saints? Yeah, I like that. Rayleigh Nelson, a happy 9th birthday. Miss Rayleigh's in she's in Parsons.
And Alexis Schultz celebrating a year wiser. Alexis is in, or I'm not sure where she is, but Alexis is 10 years old.
From Mom, Dad, and the family, a special birthday wish going out to a new teenager, Bradley Farrow, straight cash. In the words of Randy Moss, Bradley, I want you, I'm stealing this line. Straight cash, homie. Bradley Farrow turns 13 in Oswego.
Mackenzie Leroy celebrating birthday number 15. Mackenzie is in Chanute.
I like that 15 number, because that's exactly what Grace Tatum is. What a great picture right there. Happy birthday, Miss Grace, as she celebrates in Joplin.
And after Miss Grace, we have Will Eddington, who's 19 years old.
How was that
Columbus.
dude 19?
I know. They're all growing up for us.
I know. Happy birthday, Will. That's awesome, man. Little Columbus Titan pride right there. I love that. Jenna Fosdick, she is celebrating her 20th birthday. Miss Jenna, happy birthday in Carthage.
Dylan Hellwood turning 21 this year. Happy birthday to Dylan in Columbus.
Out to Parsons, we've got a very special 28th birthday as we wish Kristen Maddox a wonderful happy birthday Monday.
Deja Zwallen turning the big 3-0 this year. Deja is in Oswego.
Try to see what that is on the back. That's cool. Whoever made that for you, Deja, that's awesome. That's really cool. Oh, Melanie can't call. I'll be darned. Happy birthday, Melanie. She's celebrating her 43rd. I want to pass along that her father had a birthday on Saturday. So a very busy and celebratory household. And Melanie, have a great day. She's in Galesburg. Angie Edwards. Yeah, there she is. She's celebrating her 59th. Happy birthday to Angie and Questline and Ernie Houck. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Blue sky, short sleeve shirt, fishing. Yes, please, Ernie. Thank you for that birthday picture right there. Happy birthday to Ernie, who turns 68 in Moran.
Brian Stroud turning 69 years old this year. Brian is in Frontenac, had a birthday back on Saturday. And
no, I was like, I'm sorry, Mr. Stroud. I never would. I thought he was much younger than that, just because of how active he is and everything. Happy birthday, Brian. That's great. I had no idea. Ernest Window, a happy 87th birthday. Now, Mr. Window, I also want to thank you for your service to our country. If you did not know, Mr. Window is a veteran of the United States Navy, where he served for a decade, and not only a United States Navy veteran, but also too a grandfather. I love that cake right there. Happy birthday, Ernest and Liberal.
all right. Hazel Edwards celebrating a birthday in Iola. I hope you have a great one, Hazel.
And David Gratton, from all the family, my man. You keep jamming right there. Happy birthday to David.
All right, our list goes on. We've got Jim Cern in Altamont and Melody Kaler in Columbus.
Granger Dean Bruce, the GDB. Happy 3rd birthday in Baxter Springs. We're going to keep it in Baxter with Cameron Bowen, who celebrates number 18. And speaking of Baxter Springs, Brenda Zelmer, well, she's in charge of making sure those kiddos get there safely. One of our reliable, no, not reliable. What do I want to call them? One of the underappreciated. We don't think about the people that drive buses and how important they are. Keeping our kids safe, getting them to school. Brenda, number 1, thank you for everything that you do. Number 2, happy birthday. Number 3, oh, by the way, I checked KOMNewsNow.com. Brenda's got the day off today.
Nice.
Happy birthday, Miss Brenda. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Just go to KOMNewsNow.com, sign up for the KOM Birthday Club today.